In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best fuel injector cleaners of 2025. Trusted solutions that improve fuel economy, increase horsepower, and clean your engine from the inside out. Whether your vehicle is running rough, idling unevenly, or just in need of regular maintenance, these products are designed to keep your fuel system in top shape. You'll find links to each cleaner in the description, so be sure to check them out for the best prices and current deals. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more automotive gear reviews. Kicking off our list is the Royal Purple Max Atomizer, a small but mighty 6-Oz fuel injector cleaner formulated for both gasoline and diesel engines. It's designed to restore lost fuel economy, maximize horsepower, and improve throttle response by targeting carbon buildup within the injectors and fuel system. Unlike generic fuel additives, Max Atomizer uses a high-concentration polyethylamine (PEA) detergent, one of the most effective compounds for removing stubborn deposits. It also helps stabilize ethanol, which makes it a strong choice for cars using modern ethanol-blended fuels that degrade quickly over time. Its compact size makes it easy to use with each tank fill-up, and the results are noticeable after just one treatment. Cleaner combustion, smoother acceleration, and more efficient fuel burn. Whether you're a daily commuter or a performance enthusiast, this cleaner delivers serious impact in a small bottle. It's also perfect for high-performance vehicles that need more than just a basic system flush. Next up at number 4 is the Lucas Oil Deep Clean Fuel System Cleaner, a tried-and-true 16-Oz solution known for tackling carbon buildup, engine knocking, and NOx emissions. What sets this product apart is its ability to totally eliminate pinging and hesitation, often after just one full treatment cycle. It works by penetrating deeply into the injector nozzles, intake valves, and combustion chamber, dissolving hard carbon deposits that contribute to poor fuel atomization and engine misfires. Not only does it restore lost performance, but many drivers report increased fuel economy and improved engine smoothness, even on older vehicles with high mileage. The formula is also oxygen sensor safe and compatible with both fuel-injected and carbureted engines. Plus, the subtle citrus scent gives it a cleaner user experience than most fuel additives. If you're looking for a budget-friendly but high-performing solution, Lucas Oil's blend is reliable, efficient, and well-loved across the automotive world. Ranked third is the Redline SI1, often referred to as a mechanic's favorite fuel cleaner. This 2-pack of 15 Aussie bottles provides high-volume cleaning power at a great value. It's loaded with the highest concentration of PEA detergents, 30 to 50%, giving it unmatched cleaning strength across injectors, carburetors, valves, and combustion chambers. One of SI1's biggest strengths is its ability to clean nearly 100% of deposit buildup in a single treatment, something very few cleaners can claim. It also offers corrosion inhibitors that protect the entire fuel system long after cleaning, making it both a short and long-term solution. Another plus? It enhances gasoline stability, preventing varnish and gum formation when vehicles are parked for extended periods. With regular use every 3,000 miles or at oil change intervals, this cleaner becomes part of a robust engine maintenance plan. For drivers who demand more than superficial cleaning, Redline SI1 is a powerhouse. In second place is Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus, a staple in the fuel additive market and a top pick for dealership-level maintenance. This 20 Aussie formula is concentrated for powerful results, and it works exceptionally well with modern direct-injection gasoline engines. Techron's patented additive chemistry is engineered to reduce rough idling, hard starts, spark plug fouling, and engine hesitation. It's also highly effective at cleaning fuel injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers, and it even conditions the fuel for up to a full year of stability. Because it's backed by extensive lab testing and trusted by automakers worldwide, it's a go-to option for DIY maintenance or professional-grade engine care. Many drivers report smoother starts, improved throttle response, and even better fuel mileage after just one bottle. Whether you're preparing for emissions testing or maintaining a finely tuned ride, Techron is a safe, proven, and high-quality fuel system cleaner that delivers on all fronts. No hype, just results. At the top of our list is the Seafoam SF16 motor treatment, an all-in-one engine cleaner with a legendary reputation. More than just a fuel injector cleaner, it's a multi-system solution that can be added to the crankcase, fuel tank, carburetor, or even vacuum lines for deep, full-system cleaning. What makes Seafoam stand out is its 100% pure petroleum formula, which safely breaks down varnish, gum, and carbon deposits without damaging engine components. It not only cleans injectors, valves, and combustion chambers, but also frees sticky lifters and piston rings, removes water from fuel, and quiets noisy engines. Seafoam is safe for gas and diesel, two-stroke and four-stroke engines, and works in cars, motorcycles, lawn equipment, and even marine engines. It's one of the most versatile and cost-effective treatments available, offering both immediate and long-term benefits. Whether you're fixing rough idling, restoring power, or simply doing preventive care, Seafoam delivers real, proven performance, which is why mechanics, hobbyists, and DIYers all swear by it. Whether you're driving a high-mileage vehicle, prepping for emissions testing, or just want smoother starts and better fuel economy, these are the top 5 best fuel injector cleaners of 2025 that truly deliver results. From budget-friendly picks like Lucas Oil to versatile legends like Seafoam, each product on this list is time-tested and mechanic-approved. Regularly cleaning your fuel system can extend engine life, reduce harmful emissions, and restore lost power, making it one of the smartest and most affordable maintenance habits you can adopt. All product links are in the description. Check them for the latest deals and availability. Let us know in the comments. Which cleaner have you tried and loved? And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more expert reviews to keep your ride running strong in 2025 and beyond.